I built a 45 watt GMRS repeater. I got an FCC license, and then I decided that I wanted to build my own portable repeater. The repeater is in this top case of this Ryobi setup. What I did was the middle drawer, I put all my portable radios, and the bottom compartment is on wheels, and I've saved the real estate in it for a battery or two for portable use. So you could take it on a hillside or at the top of some sand dunes and set it up. What I went ahead and did was put a Motorola external speaker that I sealed into the side, and then I set it up to work off of 110 and also 12 volt. And then I have two antenna outputs, one for if you wanted a big pole antenna, and another if you wanted to use it as a portable and just set it up temporarily. Also set up a cooling fan. If you look there, when I open it up, you can see I've used two Motorola 45 watt UHF radios, and then I use the ID-O-Matic IV as the repeater controller, which also has the Morse code identifier. So every 20 minutes it'll send out Morse code for your GMRS radio station, which is required per the FCC regulations that I saw. There is a control board for the fan unit, and that is the power supply for the 110 setup. Because I wanted this set up for portable use, these are the grounding plane rods for the antenna if you want to set it up and use this antenna. I have this antenna switch right here to switch the antenna on the top or the antenna output for the back. And then I have the two microphones here to plug into here for if you wanted to communicate and use it as a base radio also. So the speaker is set up on the input radio, and then you plug the mic into the output radio. Just kind of thought it was a neat project. I'm not a radio guy. I'm just kind of a nerdy fireman that likes to tinker with and do different things. So I have found if you run it on battery power, it draws 8 to 9 amps. Correction, it draws 8 to 9 watts at idle. When you're transmitting, it draws about 90 to 100 during transmission. The fan is also set up where it runs for 120 seconds or 2 minutes after each transmission. And you can see if I key up how it works here. So you hear the repeater kick back, and that I have the fan turned off right now. I did put switches on the back for the radio remote feed and then the fan. There's my FCC ID bounce back, and then you'll see the fans running also with the fan control switch. I did put some ferrite magnets on it because I was getting a little bit of fan noise, so I put it on the power supply to the fan and after the fan circuit board, and it seems to be working good after that. So I'll put some links as to where I sourced everything and how it works, but overall I'm pretty satisfied with it. I'm not a radio guy. This is just kind of for some poking around and playing around with, but I tried to do everything that I could to be compliant with the regulations.